HMT stands for Hanson Muscle Therapy. It is a technique, a manual therapy, where you assess where in the body a person holds their tension. And then I use a form of trigger point or acupressure therapy to release the tension. And by doing that, helping the muscles that are too tight to relax and helping the muscles that are not contracting enough to contract. It's done by observing posture, range of motion, and testing the strength of individual muscles. By compiling this information, you find out which muscles are too tight, contracting too much, and which muscles are not contracting enough. This creating what's called a muscular imbalance. This therapy could be used both to heal an existing injury, as well as to prevent potential injuries, as well as to improve performance in a person. And so HMT therefore is a very quick method of getting very fast results, and also educate the person in why they're in pain and what's going on and how they can avoid this.